Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining the webinar today. A very warm welcome to all of you from across the globe. And uh, uh, and once again, thank you so much for joining the webinar today. And the topic which we are going to discuss today is how to build your retail CX marketing program and delivering a fine experience to the customers across each touch points. Yes, so I am Backtheesh Selvaraj. I am the presenter of the webinar, and I'm a principal CX consultant at Asway Systems. I'm part of an Oracle CX team here. So the agenda would be the retail marketer takes on customer and what is micro moments and hyper personalization, the tactics and strategies post purchase, and the hot COVID-19 support.